Welcome to my video on how to add value to your resale rights product to make money with private label rights. This is a resell rights vault video. In the description below this video, I have a link for you to get over 1,000 digital products that you can sell as your own and keep 100% of the profit. Also in the description below, hit the show more button below to get free training on how to create a 6-figure income online. Okay, let's get started. So you just secured resale rights to an ebook you think has a lot of potential. There's just one problem: hundreds of other internet marketers are selling the exact same ebook. So how do you compete? How do you make the ebook you've secured resale rights to stand out from the crowd? First, you need to add value to your offer. Here are some ways to do it. 1. Include bonuses, and more bonuses. This is critical. Make sure to add a ton of bonuses to your offer. The more freebies a customer can get if they buy the product you've secured resale rights to, the more the better. Bonuses can be ebooks, special reports, free memberships to paid member sites, software, etc. One important note: make sure that the bonus relates to the information product you're selling. For example, if you are market ebook on self-publishing online, you could include ebook software or information on how to promote an ebook. Again, the more bonuses the better. If at all possible, place a dollar value on the bonuses you include. Why? Because this quantifies the value your customer is receiving. 2. Add proprietary bonuses. Create your own special reports or ebook as a bonuses, something the customer could not get anywhere else on the web. This is critical if you are competing against others with resale rights to the same information product. If you don't like to write, or don't have the time, find online articles that you can use and compile them into an ebook or special report. If you have private label rights to articles or ebooks that allow you to change or modify the content, that's another resource you can use to create proprietary bonuses. If you don't have AA private label rights package yourself, it's worth looking into. Again, it can be an easy create your own bonuses to add value to the information product you are selling. 3. Strong guarantee. Another way to differentiate yourself from others that have resale rights to the same product is to offer a strong guarantee. As an example, you could offer a 60-day money-back guarantee to your customers, and tell potential buyers they can still keep all the bonuses even if they end up requesting a refund. 4. Pricing. Sometimes your resale rights license specifies a certain price that you must sell the information product for. If it doesn't, then ideally you want to price your product so that the customer feels the value they are getting far exceeds the price. So should you charge a rock-bottom price? Not necessarily. Sometimes a low price can hurt, other times it can help. The same holds true with a high price. The best way to find out is to test some various price points and see which one generates the most net income for you. Hopefully, this article has provided you with some ideas you can use to be more competitive in the reseller arena, and generate some sales you might not have otherwise received. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please take a moment and leave a comment. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified. Be sure to watch my other videos. Check out the description below for information on how to get over 1,000 digital products that you can sell as your own. Also hit the show more button below to get free training on how to create a 6-figure income online.